Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of steam cleaning with two contenders that promise to make your floors gleam. On my left, we have the Shark S3501 Steam Pocket Mop, and on my right, the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop. Let's kick things off with the price. The Shark S3501 is priced at $89, while the PurSteam 10-in-1 is a little pricier at $99. Amazon reviewers note that Shark is a budget-friendly option that doesn't sacrifice quality, with many praising its effectiveness on bamboo floors without streaks. On the other hand, PurSteam, while slightly more expensive, is highlighted for its versatility and numerous attachments, making it a solid choice if you're willing to spend a bit more. Now onto cleaning power. The Shark S3501 heats up in just 30 seconds and is praised for its chemical-free cleaning ability, effectively tackling pet messes and leaving floors looking new. Reviewers appreciate its ability to clean without leaving moisture behind. Meanwhile, PurSteam also heats up in 30 seconds and is noted for its strength in cleaning various surfaces, from floors to upholstery, although some users have mentioned it struggles with certain areas like grout. Speaking of versatility, PurSteam comes with a buffet of accessories, including brushes and a carpet glider, making it the Swiss Army knife of steam mops. Reviewers love its ability to clean multiple surfaces. Shark, while not as versatile, offers a reliable performance specifically for sealed hard floors and comes with washable pads, which many users find convenient. However, some users wish it could do more than just floor cleaning. Now let's talk design. The Shark S3501 features a soft grip handle and an 18-foot power cord, making it easy to maneuver. Reviewers find it lightweight and easy to use. PurSteam is also lightweight, with a swiveling mop head that allows it to reach tight spaces, and its collapsible handle is a hit with users looking for easy storage. However, a few reviewers noted that both mops have short cords, making it a slight inconvenience. Both mops are designed for quick and easy use. Shark boasts that it's ready in just 30 seconds, and many reviewers appreciate its straightforward operation. PurSteam is similarly easy to use, but some users mention the need for constant attention to avoid running out of water mid-clean. Overall, both products are recognized for their ease of use, but Shark might edge out for those who prefer simplicity. In summary, both the Shark S3501 and PurSteam 10-in-1 steam mops have their strengths and weaknesses based on user reviews. Shark is favored for its affordability and straightforward cleaning, while PurSteam is appreciated for its versatility and range of attachments. Both products have received positive feedback for their cleaning capabilities, but potential buyers should consider their specific needs before making a choice. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which mop you'd choose and why. Remember, product links are in the description. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart.